This is Team 283 and we're easy to do. So what's the problem? Our problem that we're trying to solve is that the Carmen to-do list is very clunky and it's very frustrating to use. It's on one side of the dashboard. You can't even click to interact with it. And all the more it takes you to a calendar, which gives you more assignments, more things to look at, makes it more frustrating. And so basically, we also see that it has announcements, making it even harder to see the assignments that you're just trying to complete. So our solution to this problem is that we've created easy to do, an easy to-do list that lists out every assignment, even including assignments that are past due, so that you can see everything and you get a nice bigger picture. This helps you visualize their assignments in a more cleaner and efficient way. This also shows the TAs and graders in your class. We've added a checkbox feature for past and upcoming assignments, and we also added a chat box feature so that you can use a AI to help create custom to-do lists based off weighting or due dates or any other specification you have. And so this is what we think people will react when they use the to-do list. So here's a breakdown of what we use. I want to highlight that we use the Canvas API and the OpenAI API. Canvas API is so that we can get the user data, courses, enrollments, and assignments. The OpenAI API is so that we could integrate chat. How this works basically is that when a student clicks the link to the to-do list, they're generated a token and then they are taken to their to-do list where they have their own classes where they can interact and actually use the to-do list. And this is done through a backend server right here where we actually get the data of the classes, people in the classes, due dates, front end so that they can interact with the to-do list and a chatbot integration. So here's time for a demo. So here we have the to-do list. We can choose a class right here and we can see that there's past due assignments, upcoming assignments, and the TAs and graders available. And we can also see if we choose another class, the assignments update, past due, and upcoming. And then basically we can also go back to the older assignment and be like, hey, I completed this, this, and this. But oh my gosh, I actually forgot to complete this. I'm going to go complete it because I see every single assignment, even past due assignments. So it's easier for me to visualize. As a chatbot, you can say hi. And then if you really, can you say, can you make me a to-do list? And it'll be happy to help you out. So, what are some improvements that we can make? We want to improve the chatbot so it's easier to use and more accurate. We want to make a login page just so that we know that you're the right student and this is your to-do list for security purposes. We want to make this idea integrated to all colleges just because we know that all colleges use a Canvas system, meaning they have an access token that they can actually use to get their data. We want to add weighting just so it's easier for students to look at.